Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, and I'm here to show you my boost post on my Facebook. And the reaches I've got 2,300 within 2 days, and I have never had that type of activity on a boost post before. And now I need to give my mentor to see what I can do to fine tune this boost file the settings to hopefully convert some of these reaches into paid customers into my ebook on the Fast Track Guide to a Successful Tax Business is what I'm looking to get from my boost pages. And so I'm just inspired and excited about this type of activity on a boost page, which I never had before. And so I know as I keep doing what I need to do inside my business, I keep going and getting better, that I will start getting conversions on my boost pages into paid clients of my ebooks and my products and my services. And so I just want to share it with you guys right quick, how well this boost is doing. I had one before this that did pretty well, but this is doing this twice as much as the previous one did. And so I got it set now to where it automatically going to boost certain posts of mine automatically based on the engagement it gets. And so I'm just looking forward to building a better business online through working with my mentoring coach, the awesome Steph Perez, and I'll see you in my next video.